Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to show you a new product that we're using. That is black stained mulch. I wanted to show you this new mulch that we've been using the past few months. This is a black mulch, and it's still a fine shredded hardwood mulch. It's still organic. It breaks down and gives good nutrients back into the soil, which is one of the main reasons we want to use mulch. But the reason we like this is that this black color really makes our landscapes pop, makes those plants stand out. It just makes a nice contrast to our plants and for our landscapes, and gives a nice, unique look to the landscapes. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please send them on to your friends and family and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.